Okay students, before starting 6.2 we'll do some activity. Before starting 6.2 we'll do some activity. I'm drawing a circle. Don't draw anything. I'm taking a center as O. Okay. Now I'm drawing a chord with the help of the scale and the rounder. This is a rounder. I mark here A. Listen carefully here A. I'm taking some distance. For example, they are 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. I put a point on A and draw on the arc here. This is here B. Okay. I'll join this one now. See the activity carefully and tell me the statement later on. How much centimeter? This is 7 centimeter. We can say this is chord AB is what? 7 centimeter. Okay. Now I kept this same centimeter here. This is 7, no? So I kept this here also 7 here. Okay, this is 7. King. I taken here P. You can take anywhere. Okay. So I put a point on P and draw an arc Q. This is also how much? 7 centimeter. How much? 7 centimeter. I'll join this. Okay, what you can say this one? Both are what? They are congruent. Chord AB is congruent to chord PQ. Okay, this is the center now. Now, I'll take a set square. Now, what is the meaning of it? Congruent chords of a circle. Now, see here, I'm drawing what I'm doing it here. See here. This is here. I'm drawing perpendicular from the center. I think all of you know how to draw perpendicular. See properly. Okay. I'm drawing a perpendicular. Okay, I'm drawing a perpendicular. Same way, I'll draw a perpendicular here also. Okay, I'm drawing a perpendicular here. Okay, just keep it straight. I'm drawing a perpendicular. Okay, I've drawn another perpendicular also. Now measure this with the help of the scale. I'm measuring it with the help of the scale. Okay, I got how much? 5.5. I'll measure this also. This is also 5.5. What is the meaning of this one? What is that? The congruent chords of a circle. What is this called? These are called, what is it called? These are called, you can say perpendicular, you can say distance from the center. The better word is what? Distance from the center. Distance from the center. Now this distance and this distance are what? Equal. They are what? Equal. The distance from the center to the chords are what? Equal. So how you can see? If the chords are equal, the chords are what? Equal. The distance from the center to the chords are also equal. So how you can, this is a theorem, how you can write? Congruent circle. What you can say? Congruent circle of a circle. Congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. मतलब अगर chord congruent रहेगा तो center से जो distance रहेगा वो भी क्या होता है? Equal होता है. That is the theorem. What is theorem? Congruent chords of a circles are equidistant from where? From the center. Equidistant मतलब equal distance. ये आपका theorem है. If the chords are equal, then the distance from the center to the chords are also equal. Understand the theorem? Okay. What is the theorem? Once again, writing here. I can write here. Congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? If given ऐसा रहेगा, there is no need of theorem. If AB is equal to PQ and O is the center, then what you have to prove? We have to prove that O, you can say here M and you can say N. So OM is also equal to ON. अगर chord equal रहेगा तो डिस्टेंस कहाँ से? सेंटर से chord OB क्या रहेगा? इक्वल रहेगा. इसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? इसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? उल्टा होगा। कैसा होगा? इफ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, इफ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, देन द कॉर्ड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल। समझा? उल्टा इसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? कन्वर्स देखो, कन्वर्स में क्या होगा? कन्वर्स में क्या होगा? गिवन क्या देगा? डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड इक्वल रहेगा, मतलब OM इज इक्वल टू क्या रहेगा? ON। तो डिस्टेंस इक्वल रहेगा सेंटर से, तो कॉर्ड भी क्या होगा? इक्वल हो जाएगा। ये दो प्रूफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी नहीं, यू हैव टू 10th में भी यूजफुल रहेगा आपको। ओके, द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, देन द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल। उसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? अगर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, तो ये कॉर्ड भी क्या रहेगा? इक्वल रहेगा। समझ में आया थ्योरम सबको? थ्योरम इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्या बोला मैंने? अगर कॉर्ड इक्वल रहता है तो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कॉर्ड ये भी क्या रहेगा? इक्वल रहेगा। इसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? कन्वर्स मतलब उल्टा। तो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर अगर ये इक्वल रहेगा तो कॉर्ड भी क्या रहेगा? इक्वल रहेगा। ये थ्योरम समझ में आया सबको? सम सिंपल है। ओके, we can go to 6.2 now.